Today, let us write a Python program to calculate compound interest. In fact, this was a program given as assignment. I hope you have done the assignment. So let us do the Python program to calculate compound interest. First, you need to click on File, take the New File option. I have already taken that. Now, after that, you need to save your Python program. Okay, I have already saved it. Now you can write a comment. How do you write a comment? Hash. Okay, a Python program to calculate compound interest. Now maybe you can write the formula for compound interest. It is P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole to the power of n. So how can you write raised to star star, meaning raised to the whole to the power of n minus p. So this is the formula for compound interest. So it's a multi-line comment. So no need to make use of two hash because two lines are there. You can start with triple quotes. You can end with the triple quotes. Okay. Now to calculate compound interest, what is the first thing to be done? The values of P, N and R should be entered from the keyboard. That's the first thing to be done. So let me enter P and R from the keyboard. So how do you enter a quantity from the keyboard? Input. Inside double quotes, you can type the message, enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, now it will not fit in this line. So if you want to continue outside double quotes, you can make use of backward slash and you can continue. Okay, I want to continue the string. So inside double quotes, you can write enter the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, and you can store that in a variable, example P. So P is equal to the amount that you want to deposit. So what is the meaning of this backward slash? What's the meaning of this backward slash? If you want to continue a statement into the next line, you can use backward slash and continue the statement. Okay. Now number of years, but input returns the answer as a string. Okay, so the amount that you want to deposit 2000 rupees 50 paise, like that the amount may come. So decimal numbers may come. So if you want to convert a string into decimal number, here you can make use of float. This is one method. And the second method is this we have already tried. So let me go for the second method. Here you can make use of evaluate. So what does evaluate function do? See, input returns the answer as a string. So suppose if you type 23.5, it is character 2, character 3 dot character 5. So evaluate on seeing dot evaluates the string as a decimal number. So character 2, character 3 dot character 5 will be evaluated as the decimal number 23.5, so that here P points to 23.5. So in order to convert a string to a decimal number, you can make use of either float or you can make use of evaluate. Now number of years must be entered from the keyboard. So number of years 3.5 years, decimal numbers may come. So let me copy paste and here let n points to number of years. Enter the number of years. So I don't want to continue this in the next line. You can remove backward slash. You can write it like this. Okay, enter the number of years. You need two closing bracket. The For this opening bracket you need a closing bracket, and for this opening bracket you need another one. Okay, so enter the number of years. Now rate of interest must be entered from the keyboard. So let me copy paste this, and here you can use a variable name R. for rate of interest. So enter the rate of interest. Okay. Now, to calculate compound interest, first let me calculate this much part of the answer. Okay. So 1 plus r by 100. Let me store in a variable answer. Answer equals 1 plus r by 100. So multiplication has got higher precedence when compared to plus. So first r divided by 100 will be calculated. That will be added to 1. Or if you want, you can put a comma here. Not compulsory. So now your answer contains 1 plus r by 100. Now what should I calculate? I should calculate 1 plus r by 100, the whole to the power of n. That is answer raised to n. I need to calculate. So how can you find answer raised to n? Answer star star n. So this is answer raised to n that you can store in the same variable answer. Okay, because suppose 1 plus r by 100, the quantity calculated is 5. Example, just for your understanding. So now your answer variable contains 5. So here assignment operator means right hand side is calculated first, that is assigned it to this answer variable. So what does answer variable contain? 5. N, let it be 2. Example, okay. So 5 raised to 2, 25, that is assigned to the answer variable. So previously the answer variable contained 5, that is gone. Now it contains 25 because 5 raised to 2, 25. So now your answer variable contains 25. So this much part 1 plus r by 100, the whole to the power of n, that is there in answer variable a n s. Now what do you need to calculate? P multiplied by answer variable minus p, that should be calculated. Okay, so p multiplied by answer variable minus p. So suppose your answer variable contains 25. So here 25 comes, p is 1. 1 into 25 minus 25, that is 0. And that comes in answer variable. Okay, so the new quantity is zeros. Remember, these are all examples. Okay, so I have calculated the compound interest that is there in the answer variable. Answer should be displayed in the computer's monitor. So you can display the answer like this. Inside double quotes, you can write compound interest equals. So this double quotes must come here. Now, the answer should be written outside double quotes. Only then the value of answer will appear. Okay. Now, you can save your file. You can run the program. Enter the amount that you want to deposit. Example, 1000 rupees. Enter the number of years, 5. Enter the rate of interest, 12. Now there is a mistake, and please make a note that variables are case sensitive. That's an important point. So here I made use of capital letters. So you are bound to make use of same variable names. Variables are case sensitive. Okay, so use the same variable names. So actually I want to explain this point. Variables are case sensitive. Save your file, F5, run the program. Again, enter the amount that you want to deposit, 1000. Enter the number of years, 5 years. Rate of interest, 8%. So the compound interest equals 469.3280, like this. Now suppose if you want the answer correct to 2 places of decimals. Okay. Now if you want the answer correct to 2 places of decimals, you can use the round function. And here answer comma 2. So now the answer will be displayed correct to 2 places of decimals. You can see F5, run the program, 1000, 5 years, 8%. So now the answer is displayed correct to 2 places of decimals. So this is how you write the program on compound interest. Okay. So first I calculated 1 plus r by 100, that is stored in answer variable. Example 5. Now I need to calculate 1 plus r by 100 the whole to the power of n. So 1 plus r by 100 is there in answer variable. So 1 plus r by 100 the whole to the power of n. That is again stored in answer variable. Why I did not use another variable name here? I don't need that. So suppose if this is 5, number of years, suppose if it is n, then 5 raised to 2, 25 is stored in the same answer variable. So previously answer variable contained 5. Now 5 is removed. Now it contains 25. Now here assignment operator, right hand side is calculated first, that is assigned it to left hand side. So now your answer variable contains 25. P is, suppose if it is 100, so 100 into 25, 2500 minus 100, it becomes 2400. So your answer variable contains the compound interest. Okay, so if you want the answer correct to two places of decimals, which function do you need to make use of? Round function. So round answer comma 2. Here if you put 3, the answer will be rounded to 3 places of decimals. So if you did not get the correct answer, if you did not do it in the computer, please make it a point that you study by doing the program in the computer.